On October 31st, 22, in Lake City, Florida, legally blind Navy veteran James Hodges is walking home from jury duty when Deputy Jamie Goad stops him, based on an unfounded assumption.
Hi there!
Hey.
What's this in your back pocket? I just saw you walking it.
It's a navigational age. What's the problem? You a tyrant?
Yeah, I am actually. What's your name and date of birth?
I don't have to give that unless
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing-
I was investigating.
You have reasonable.
Do you want me to put you in
suspicion.
handcuffs right now? Yes, sir, I do.
What is your suspicion?
It looks like you're carrying a gun in your back pocket. I'm stopping to make sure you're carrying it properly. You don't
Have you
to.
ensured that it's not a firearm?
No, you keep turning so I can't.
Without suspecting a crime, the officer detains James despite him showing his cane and calls Sergeant Harrison, escalating the situation.
You don't have to be a dick to me.
Well, you're being one to me.
No, sir. I'm
Have
doing
a
my
good
job.
day. Am I detained?
Yeah, you are. What's your name and date of birth?
It does not matter.
Yes, sir, it does.
Do you have a crime?
Would you like me
Call
to
your
put you in?
supervisor,
He's right
please.
here.
All right.
You don't.
Sir, what's the stop you for? For a walking stick.
So,
And it could look like a weapon. She asked you to
Really?
present it, okay?
Now she's asking me for ID.
Okay.
I don't need the ID unless there's reasonable articulated suspicion
And her
that I have committed a crime, am committing a crime,
And
or
her-
about to do a crime.
Sir, and her suspicion was that you were armed, okay? And she's asking you for your ID.
Well, now
Okay.
she has verified that I am not armed.
Okay.
So there is no
you have
problem.
your ID or not?
I do have my ID, but
Okay.
you don't need it.
Okay. Okay.
James tells the officers they can't search him, as there's no suspicion of a crime, making the search a violation of his Fourth Amendment rights.
Where's your wallet at, sir?
I don't have a wallet on me.
okay, where's your ID?
Where's your
It's in
ID
my
at?
pocket.
Which pocket?
You are not allowed to search me.
James handles the situation correctly, asserting his right to remain silent to prevent anything from being distorted or used against him.
There you go.
Thank you.
I want your names and badge numbers.
1257 on Nick 65427.
Yeah, 4427.
Preferably
Hotel
your cards.
322 457 61 2540.
Yeah, 26, 23,
James was arrested for asking officers for their names, charged with resisting, and jailed for 24 hours. He sued, leading to officer suspensions and a demotion.
All right, you deserve it.
777 Whiskey Mike detained. I don't know where his wallet is.
It's going to be. I want your name and your badge
You
number.
know what? Put him in jail for resisting.
Okay. All right, let's go.
I want your name and badge number too, sir.
Have a seat.
You want to pick my property up,
I
please?
sure will, after you have a seat.
You want to pull this out of my back pocket?
Sure. Here, I'll grab your jacket for you, too.
Meanwhile, Texas cops were caught in a worse act during an eviction.
Put him in my shirt.
In late January 21, Texas Constable Curtis Traylor and his deputies, Banks and Holman, were serving an eviction notice when one of their body cams accidentally recorded a shocking act.
You still in here? You found something else? Oakley glasses. What you see? Yeah, I seen that one on there. The Oakleys are, they was and everything.
Now, are they allowed to keep anything of value?
Who?
The
Constable Trailer and Deputy Banks are seen stealing watches and cocaine from a resident's closet, unaware that the body cam is recording their actions.
this one right here.
Yeah.
Let me see.
That shit. Please.
Okay, this. Put them in my shirt. Hey, Gamble. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, we got some cocaine.
Oh,
Yeah, everything here took.
this can go in here. We set that box right. We set that on that dresser.
What's this?
A box.
Deputy Banks is seen in the mirror, stuffing the resident's valuables into her vest.
Hold on. Give me a second. You got this bong. Hold on.
Deputy Banks helps Constable Trailer hide cash from a bedside drawer, ignoring a resident's claim of having their lawyer on the phone, and continues stealing.
Oh, no, there's a whole bunch in the other bag, too. We can roll this out.
It's cocaine in that little box.
We're missing a small handgun. I can tell you that now.
He probably got it with
I
him.
found some bullets. It was the bullets on top of that. I didn't go through them. Shit.
Yeah, he probably
Okay.
got it with him.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let me take this.
Okay. But they had, these are pills. Hold on. I know it's in here. It'll be an easy reach. What is this? A cell phone or something? Scale. Oh shoot. Calculator. It's a cell phone charger. What is, hold on, wait. What is this? Some gun.
A string gun, maybe.
What?
Let me see. No, it's a clip.
To a gun.
Yeah, it's a Ruger.
Okay, this is some more bullets. Yeah, sheriff's office. Some more money.
Too fat of it.
Hold on a minute.
I need to talk to the chief. I have the lawyer on the phone.
Deputy Banks searches a child's room and steals a pair of designer sunglasses.
There's some more.
With a gallon of. Why do you leave all this stuff here?
Could we tell him to get out? Where Derek at?
He went upstairs to check some stuff.
Let me check, because there was a room I didn't check. I don't have them. Yeah, we got 2 hours. Y'all check these out. Derek. Oh, this is neat. Yeah, I think this was, yeah. It's only what? What's all this? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Ray-Bans. Okay. Oh, what's in here? Hold on, let me put this right there. Hold on. Hold on. Ray-Bans. Clean it out. Yeah. Let me check the bottom. Alright, games.
After missing items were found, an investigation exposed the officer's crimes. Trailer Harris got probation, Banks took a plea deal, and Holman was acquitted. Some cops steal, others abuse power.
Alright. We done got hot. They can come in. Whew, yeah. It's hot.
You ain't gonna need me to go rest? You gonna sit down and rest a little bit?
Oh, yeah, I need to go sit down and rest.
Yeah, go sit down and rest a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.